How to remove users from Amazon Prime. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove users from your Amazon Prime, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to remove users from your Amazon Prime, all you have to do is simply go here and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon Prime Video application here, and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Now let's say that there are many users who are currently signed into your Amazon account in general, and then you want to remove those users. In that case, what you got to do is you just want to make sure to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here. Then again, you want to make sure to tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side. Once you tap the gear icon over here, you just want to scroll, look for the option called registered devices, and then tap on it. Now when you tap on registered devices, you will be able to see all of the people who are currently logged into your device, which means all of the devices where your Prime Video account is logged in. And if you'd like to remove those, all you have to do is just go ahead and select this option called deregister option. Once you select deregister, it'll ask you are you sure, so just tap on it, and then the device or the user is going to get removed from your Prime Video account. Now another thing that you can do is you can simply try to change your password as well. So hope this video helped you as to how you can remove users from Amazon Prime. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.